Have you ever wondered how small a star can be? Most people imagine stars as giant, blazing balls of gas, bigger than anything we know. But in 2013, astronomers found a record-breaking tiny star called 2-mass J0523-1403. This special star is a fascinating mystery in the universe. 2-mass J0523-1403 is not like our Sun. In fact, you would need a powerful telescope just to see it. This star shines about 8,000 times dimmer than the Sun and is only 8.6% as wide. Imagine if the Sun was the size of a huge orange, this star would be smaller than a blueberry next to it. Even more amazing, 2-mass J0523-1403 could fit inside the planet Jupiter. But how can something so small still be a star? Scientists say that true stars need to have a special power inside them. This power is called nuclear fusion. Inside stars, hydrogen atoms smash together and turn into helium, creating energy and light. This is what makes stars twinkle in the night sky. Some objects in space, called brown dwarfs, don't have enough strength to keep fusion going. Brown dwarfs are like star wannabes, they try to shine but just can't do it for long. That's why people sometimes call them failed stars. The key difference between a brown dwarf and a real star is mass. If an object has enough mass, gravity squeezes it so tightly that fusion can keep running. If it doesn't weigh enough, it becomes a brown dwarf, unable to shine for very long. Scientists often want to know exactly how massive these cosmic objects are. But it's not always easy. Sometimes, they watch how brown dwarfs and tiny stars move in space to estimate their mass. Other times, they use temperature as a clue. As a rule, hotter stars usually have more mass, while cooler stars are often smaller and lighter. What's special about tiny stars like 2-mass J0523-1403 is that they are just big enough to keep nuclear fusion alive. That means they can stay the same size, temperature, and brightness for billions of years. Brown dwarfs, on the other hand, slowly cool down and grow dimmer over time because their fusion engine isn't powerful enough. So next time you look up at the night sky, think about the tiniest stars twinkling far away. Somewhere, 2-mass J0523-1403 is shining quietly in the darkness, showing that even the smallest things in the universe can burn with the heart of a star.